YouTube, what's good? It's your boy 4 and I'm back with another video. First things first, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. This helps me get put into YouTube's algorithm so that I can reach more people and so that more people can learn, and watch my videos. So this is a special client. First time cutting him. He actually graduated barber school. And his YouTube channel is going to be linked down below. He texted me. I'm going to show the text on the screen. He basically requested that he be on video. So I said, yeah, of course. I got you. So let's get it. Basically, he wanted a 2.5 with the grain and a low fade. Now, he told me that he got pushed back. He sent me a video on his Instagram about how another barber pushed him back pretty bad. I didn't really see it too much, but I saw it a little bit on that left side. So right now we're knocking down his hair. Me personally, if I had it my way, I probably would have went with a 2 close, but he wanted a 2.5, so that's what we're doing. And you guys saw that I combed his hair out first. That's important because when you're cutting a waver like this, you want to get the hair to rise up off the scalp. Otherwise it's too compressed and it won't cut to its true length. So this low fade is going to be difficult, especially on this side. I showed the details of this side rather than the other side because this side was the difficult side. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I have my lever open with my Mythics, and if you notice, the hair is growing sideways, so it's kind of difficult for the hair to get cut. As you can see, I didn't even notice it yet until I started brushing. So I started with my lever open, and then I went with my 1 guard, went up above that, and then closed my lever on my 1. This was definitely the most difficult side of this haircut. After that, the highest guard we're going to use is our 3. We're just going to go ahead and close the lever and save time. After the 3, grab your 2 and start with your lever open and then close it. Now, as you can see, his C cups are kind of light, so I'm kind of avoiding that area. Then I grabbed my 1.5 guard, and this isn't going to fully get that line out, so you're going to want to have to jump back to your 1, most likely. So we have our 1, just prepping it for the 0 guard. Now we have our 0.5 guard. I like to call this guard the 0.75 guard, just because personal preference. After that, I didn't want to use my Mythics because they don't get too close, so I grabbed my Babyliss FX clippers. You just want to grab your sharpest clippers, whatever can get that bottom guideline out. We started with our lever closed, and then we gradually opened it up, notch by notch, as we go up to that 0 guard line. This comes with experience, pretty straight to the point. So that was the difficult side. So now that's out the way. This was the easy side. As you can see, his waves are nice and laid on this side, and the hair grows down naturally. So instead of it growing sideways, this time it just grows down. So this is going to be much easier. Same thing, debulk with the 3. If you guys want to purchase this clipper or any of Stylecraft or Gamma products, use my promo code the4thken. It'll be somewhere on the screen. And I think you get about a 10% discount. So definitely take advantage of that. Now we got our 2 guard, and we're doing the same thing. It's much easier on this side. As you can see, it's just blending right in. We got our 1.5 guard. And we jump to our 0.75 guard. Now on this side, I will have to use my wall half guard. Just because it was simpler on this side. The other side I skipped it because it wasn't necessary, but this side we need it. And after that, you're just going to want to detail. This is my preferred detail clipper just because if you guys haven't seen the video of how I adjust this specific clipper, I have it set crooked, the blade, so that I can use like both sides to my advantage. So now we're just going to connect it to the back. And as you can see, the fade's coming together nice. So for his hairline, we're gonna prep it with the 1.5 guard. We're not gonna take it too low since his hair is pretty thick. If you guys remember, his hair is at a 2.5 level. So you don't want to take the front down to like a 1 close. It's just going to be too short. His lineup, he has a natural rainbow shape hairline. So there's usually 3 main types of hairlines: horseshoe, regular, normal, and a rainbow. Can't control it what type of hairline you have. You can't morph your hairline into anything else. You're just born with it. So yeah. So we're making sure we keep it straight, but it's gonna have a slight arc to it since it's a rainbow hairline. For the C cup, you don't want to leave it too natural, but you don't want to push it up too far so that the grow back is ugly. It's all about client consultation. I have some clients that prefer it extremely natural, like not even sharp at all. And then I have other clients who like it super sharp. So now we're applying our enhancements. This is the Tomb 45, darkest brown color. As you can see, it sprays pretty dark, but you don't have to spray a lot, which is good. It's definitely a time saver. When I was using Kiss Express, I kind of would have to spray a lot for it to be dark. But with this, it's just one and done. Now we have our pencil. You guys know I only like using the pencil on the side, the vertical bars. That's pretty much it. Now we're just gonna detail that fade a little bit and get started on our freehand trim. Now I could have sent him out the door with this haircut, just like this. But if you really wanna set yourself from the next barber, you know, freehand trim the top. You saw all the loose hairs, especially when, you know, if he would have got a 1.5, I'm sure there wouldn't have been as many loose hairs. But since he got a 2.5, his texture is gonna be curling up still. So you wanna go over, smooth all that down. We're gonna smooth the other side down now. And this just makes the haircut look complete. Even on clients with curly tops, you wanna get those loose hairs. And lastly, we're just gonna detail the fade. I saw some spots. This is the difficult side. As you can see, it's growing backwards. So just detailing it, making sure it's nice and good. This is how my client came in. And this is how he's leaving. Let's check out another angle. Boom. Let's get it. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. It's 4. I'm out. Peace.